Another night, another moon, another shadow from a cloud against the moon, an endless blue sky of stars. Wherever my eyes turn, there you are. Another day, another time, another moment like this, you were by my side. Right from the start, you were a thief, you stole my heart, and I, your willing victim. I let you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty, and with every touch you fix them. Now you've been talking in your sleep. Oh, things